Good morning, everyone. It's great to have you all here today. We are going to dive into three crucial roles that driven data and AI powered decision making: data analysis, business analysis, and AI solution designer. Now, if you ever wonder how business makes sense of massive amounts of data, how they turn raw numbers into business strategies, or how AI-powered tools like chatbots and fraud detection systems come to life. This session is for you. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of these roles, how they work together, and how they contribute to business success. So let's get started. Why are these roles important? We live in a data-driven world. Every click, every purchase, every interaction generates data. But raw data is just like an uncut diamond. It needs to be refined and processed before it becomes valuable. That's where these three professionals come in. Data analysis uncover trends in raw data. Business analytics take these insights and translate them into business strategies. Imagine running an online store. You need to know why some customers doesn't complete their purchases. A data analysis finds the pattern, a business analysis suggests solution, and with these rules, business would be making right decisions, but with them, companies can thrive in a competitive market. Role of data analysis. Who is a data analyst? Think of a data analyst as a detective, uncovering valuable insights hidden in numbers. Their job is to collect, clean, analyze, and present data in ways that help business make informed decisions. So, what are basically data analytics responsibilities, steps, or how they do work? Step by step, I will tell you now. Collecting and cleaning data from multiple sources. First, they clean our raw data and then clean this. So, first step is data collection. Gather data from various sources, and then data cleaning, ensuring data accuracy. So basically, this is the first and main step. You can collect, it's just an example like if you make an e-commerce store, like you make an e-commerce store and your competitor is here and it is better than you, you will collect what are the things I am not doing or my company is not doing, his company is doing. So that's basically collecting and cleaning data for multiple sources. Identifying patterns and trends using static techniques. Now we it's just like we collected numbers. I told you, think of a data analysis as a detective uncovering valuable insights hidden in numbers. Uncovering valuable insights hidden in numbers. That uncovering we are uncovering valuable insights hidden in numbers. Identifying patterns and trends using statistical technique. When we collect a data, we will clean it and give him shape. Creating dashboards and reports using tools like Tableau and Power BI. First we collect our data, then we clean, then we identify pattern and use statistical techniques. Then visualize. We will collect data or clean data in Excel. Basically, main thing is our Excel. When we clean data or collect data, we gather in Excel. So when our data is fine, we identifying patterns are clear. Then we make visualization. We make charts. We make uh, visualization. There's some types of visualization. pie bar, charts, go to another step. Supporting business decision with data-driven insights. We collect data, we clean data, we analysis data, and we also visualize our data. Then we will tell what happened and share them. And let me give you a practical example. Let's say an e-commerce company sees a drop in sales. A data analysis would investigate customer behavior. Did traffic drop? Were there more abandoned carts? Was there an issue with the payment process? Using SQL, Python, visualization tools, they would find the root cause and present their finding in an easy to understand report. So E is, let's see, statistical analysis, that is identify patterns and trends using statistical techniques. Programming, we can also collect and clean wherever we use Excel, but sometimes we use programming also. Programming basically we can use in it data visualization, but some people don't know programming. That's why we use tools like Tableau and Power BI for data visualization, but we can do it also with programming. Then database management, SQL. I give you an example, and I said using SQL, Python, and visualization tools. Okay, using SQL is structured query language. My SQL is database management thing. The database is basically we store our data. Okay, we visualize and then we will store in our database. Clear? Let's go to now business analysis. Who is business analysis? If a data analysis is a detective, then a business analysis is a translator, bridging a gap between business needs and data insights. They take complex information and turn into actionable strategies. Key responsibilities of business analysis: understanding and gathering business requirements. Okay, requirements gather. When uh, first of all, business analysis require gathering requirements. Okay, then data analysis give that what happened. He's a translator between uh, between business needs and data insights. Okay, so after then understanding and gathering business requirements, we have analyzing business problems using data insight. But I'm process mapping. Like PRD. What is PRD? PRD is like product required document. When when we launch our new product, okay, we will have to why, like what is the purpose of product? Why is there needs? Like this is required document. This is basically called process mapping. We use or when data analysis gives the data insights. Okay, then business analysis make documenting in business processes. Okay, communicating finds to stakeholders. Again, that thing, business analysis is a translator between business needs and data insights. And last, just like last key, well, he had all, like I am telling you just 3 to 4 key points, but there is there is so much responsibilities that I am telling you the main responsibility. Like in understanding and gathering business requirements, we have a lot of things. This is just key responsibilities is just names of some steps.
So we clear the data analysis role and business analysis role. Now it is time to clear AI project management and problem solving. Step 1. Define the problem. Every AI project starts with a well-defined problem. What are we solving? Who are the stakeholders? For example, let's say a subscription-based service wants to reduce customer churn by 15% in 6 months. Defining a clear problem helps set measurable goals. Step 2. Data collection and preparation. AI is only as good as the data it learns from. In this step, we gather data from multiple sources, clean it and transform it into an unusable format. Did you know? This is basically here we use data analysis. 60% of AI project time is spent on data preparation. Tools like Pandas and Scikit-learn help automate this process. Data collection and preparation. This is basically a data analysis role. Yes. And like Pandas and Scikit-learn help automate this process. This means, I said we also use programming in it, data analysis. This is basically the libraries of programming of Python. Okay, let's get to another step. Step 3. AI model selection and training. Now that we have data, we need the right AI model. If we are predicting customer churn, we might use a classification model. Training is done using TensorFlow or PyTorch, ensuring high accuracy before deployment. The goal is to achieve at least 90% accuracy on test data. TensorFlow or PyTorch is also libraries when we use in programming. Step 4. Implementation and integration. Once our model is trained, it's time to integrate it into real-world system. Let's say we built an AI recommendation system for an e-commerce platform. Integration ensures smooth functionality, and we aim for latency under 200 milliseconds to prove a seamless under experience. Step number 5. Testing and validation. Testing is critical. We don't just deploy AI, we rigorously test it. One method is A/B testing, where we compare AI integration recommendation system with the existing system. Is where we compare AI integrate recommendations with the existing system. A statistically significant improvement confirms our AI effectiveness. Step 6. Monitoring and optimizing. AI is not a set it and forget it. System continuous monitoring ensure it stays accurate using MLflow and TensorBot. We track performance, retraining the model if accuracy drops below 85%. This prevents data drift when AI becomes outdated due to changing trends. Conclusion. The power of AI-driven solutions. So, AI is revolutionizing industries, but only with the right strategy. Today, we explored the complete AI problem-solving roadmap from monitoring. By 2030, AI is projected to add $15.7 trillion to the global economy. The future belongs to those who embrace AI. So, are you ready to take AI to next level? Thank you. Thank you for your time. I had loved to hear your thoughts. Do you have any question about all the roles we discussed. Okay, thank you. Bye.